Hi friends and subscribers, this is Sheikh, and in this video I will discuss one of the interesting tools of Web SEO tricks. Okay, so this Web SEO tricks is a website which allows the SEO developers and website developers to help them in ranking their website in the first page of widely used search engines like Google, Yahoo and Bing. Okay, so now in this video I will tell you about one of the interesting tool, which is convert domain to IP. Okay, so what is the use of this domain? Is this domain allows the SEO developers or any users to convert any domain into its IP address. Okay, so we can easily view the IP of that domain by using this tool. Okay, so for that you just need to click on this and you will be redirected to page like this. Okay, and then here there will be a text box where you need to enter the name of the domain. Okay, the moment when you click on this convert to IP, this tool will immediately show you the IP address of that website or domain. Okay, now you can see this is the IP address of this studio.com. Okay, so like this, if I want to know the details or the IP address of any other website like facebook.com, you can view or you can easily get the IP address of facebook.com. okay, so like this you can get the IP address of any domain. Okay, so this domain is very helpful whenever people wants to know the IP address of any domain. Okay, so this is everything about this video, where we have discussed about finding out the domain of any finding out the IP address of any domain. Okay, so that's all for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. I hope you got some useful and valuable information out of this video. If you like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay, and thanks for watching.